Push
my
back.
buddy Joseph here today.
Nice.
Think like a clip broke or?
No.
Wow, huh?
Maybe you driving real hard and hitting them?
No, No, I'm always real careful with my brakes. When I first put them on, I drive really careful. Even, I don't put the brake on hard, anything like that, so that they'll wear in good. They were just replaced in April. I don't know.
No.
If you don't think it's the caliper, I thought maybe a clip broke off.
I don't know. I'm gonna pull the caliper off, see how hard it is to push in.
Yeah, let's see what's up with that.
Get all these fun things.
Oh yeah. Oh, I swear. Shoot, me and Brian work on this all the time. Just anytime it needs something, you know what I mean?
Should have bought a Ford. You won't have to.
We might get us a Ford van. E2. Deliver stuff. Be able to move our
just get a
furniture
box truck.
in it. And then I would love to. I would.
I
A
know
lot of
one is
people
for
are
sale
turning
for
them into
$5,000 right now.
RVs and stuff,
Yeah, but I know where one is for sale right now for $5,000.
Really?
Yeah, a little Zuzu.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. We might be interested. How much mileage? Whole ton?
Probably 250. It's a diesel though, automatic.
Yeah. Is it like a 350, a 250?
A Zuzu NPR.
Hey, Chuck. Did you just wake up?
I hope you get that car fixed. I hate being on taxi.
Well, I told her if she'd have bought a Ford, she wouldn't have had that problem.
I've been fucking with her.
Oh.
What's wrong with it?
Did they replace these clips when they replaced everything?
Yeah, I think so. Maybe not, I know I bought the spring and the clips, Yeah. You know how that goes.
Well, when you buy it, that doesn't mean that they're going to put it on.
Exactly. I love my little Aveo, I tell you what I do. I really haven't had many problems out of it. If I wouldn't have took it up to, garage.
Why?
Everything would have been great with my car. I would have never had replaced anything on it.
Why?
Well, because my valve cover gasket got messed up.
Yeah.
And by golly, we had oil leaking and it was like freezing cold out. We didn't have no garage. And so, below zero in January type stuff,
Well, I work outside now at the junkyard.
Oh, I know, but I'm kind of older and stuff, so, if I can stay out of the cold, I do. But anyways, I take it to the garage, and, they told me it needed an oil sending unit, and that they replaced it. And so, I'm like, okay, if that's what it was, cool. And then, I ride off, I give them $60, I ride out of there. Well, it's just a few days later, I'm like, well, I still have an oil leak, oh my gosh. I take it up there again. They start trying to tell me all kinds of stuff's wrong with my car with only like 43,000 miles on it. And I'm like,
did you buy it new?
11,000 miles. And I'm like, my car ran perfect before this, and I've already had it up here for this oil leak once. And they were trying to charge me $658 to change the spark plugs, the valve cover gasket, basically. And I'm like, and then plus they were acting like they were going to throw in a whole bunch more parts, and I'm just like, I really don't think my car needs all that. I'm just going to take it home, and I'll wait till it gets warm and work on it.
At most shops.
So that's what we did. We took it home, and sure enough, we had to replace the spark plugs and all that. But, we drove it for a little bit, Joseph, so it freaking ruined the catalytic converter.
You don't need that anyways.
All kinds of stuff. I know we had to...
I can tell you how to trick that where you don't even have to put one on there. And the check engine
holes in it?
No. Where the check engine light won't even come on.
Yeah.
What you do is you take it out,
Yeah.
take it off the way it's supposed to be taken off.
Yeah.
Beat that sumbitch out.
Yep. That's what we had to do to ours.
Oh, the back
to
O2
get it running again.
Well, the back O2 sensor, get another bung That's
Yeah.
what they call that little round thing that's welded to the exhaust.
Yep.
Welded on there, and then bring the O2 sensor where the bottom of it up is just to the top,
Yeah.
or in the inside of the first one,
Uh-huh.
and then it'll fool the computer into thinking that it's still got a converter on it.
Wow. But yeah, we're looking for a van. You know, we kind of want to do deliveries and stuff, and then we're gonna get, like, if we take any trips, like throw some mattresses in, we'll be able to camp in it. You know, go camping and stuff, and we won't even need a tent. You know us. We're kind of like, we don't like the city. We're outdoorsy people. You know. Yeah, we can't handle it in the city, man. And
I got
apartments.
I've got a Nissan Quest. As soon as I get it fixed,
Yeah.
that van right there will be up for sale.
How much you wanting for it?
What I paid for it?
How much is
500.
that? 500.